I'm Dr. Kristy Hamilton, board certified plastic surgeon, and I'm here with my beautiful patient undergoing the cellular protocol of ELIXIR MD, which is transformed recovery for my surgical patient. On a scientific level, it's really fascinating how the cellular protocol works. So the energy enters the mitochondria and it starts to stimulate a biochemical reaction that promotes tissue repair without causing thermal damage. The next great benefit is an activation of the lymphatic system. So the energy is absorbed by the smooth muscle of the lymphatic channels, which stimulates contractions. That will incite the pump mechanism of the lymphatics to decrease swelling and push that extracellular fluid back to your lymphatic system outside the surgical field. So adding this phase of the ELIXIR MD protocol to my patients as they begin their post-operative recovery has been instrumental in reducing inflammation, swelling, enhancing tissue circulation, and yielding an overall more beautiful outcome with a faster, smoother recovery.